you can't go back to your place. And as much as I'd like to let you crash on the lap dance couch at the club, I think you should find a place to stay. I'm gonna text you an address of a lead I got. Swing by, see if you like it.
Deserve to be talking to y'all about the hip-hop world. And my response to that is, why y'all gotta be haters? 10 years ago, I saw the worst of the worst. I was in prison, spent time with the lowest of the low. I also met some of the best souls I'll ever know. Experience like that changes you. Haters gonna come, but whatever. Haters gonna hate. Now let's get back to the music. You're listening to The Hood. Keeping it real in the hood.
That's what makes us on the brain. Like some F3, I'm a baller, stay breathing. Gotta keep it cool if the rockets heat seeking. Cold when it wasn't that light. Drop an A-bomb just to light up the night. Gotta watch your step, landmines on the right. One wrong move, it's the end of your life. Explosive on the mic, C4, more than hardcore. We're gonna get more than that, sure. We don't bring down, we just blow free more. Empty with a bag and this tape was yours. Get hit by shrapnel from multiple claymores. Thought it was a game, what the fuck you play for? Know the scene a bit, won't leave a trace. Even GPS can't pinpoint my place.
Yo, niggas talk much, well let's spit more. Gotta tell them so what you need a clip for. So I jumped in the scene with a big horde. Take down all your sick horse with pitchforks. So, if you're the pain, you can get it. I'm too big, nigga couldn't bust, so we get it. Too quick, lay him on the...
This works.
Saw her across the room, I just knew. This is the woman I want to spend the next 7 months of my life with. Thanks to Speedy, we were legally bound before she sobered up.
I met a hot stud at the bar that I wanted to take back to my room and ride like a stallion. But he told me he was waiting for marriage. With Speedy's help, that wait didn't last long. Neither did the...
I got all day, Val.